What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another hair tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I did this style. If you don't know how to braid, pause this video and go watch my braid tutorial video. It's a little bit further down on my page. If you do know how to braid, let's get started. Started off with a simple part. I kind of did a little bit slanted so it wasn't directly in the middle. And then from the top of that parting, I went down the side behind my ear. And this is the part we're going to braid from. So just splitting off a little section and splitting it to 3 and doing a typical Dutch braid. When braiding, you typically want to keep it tight, but this one I kept a little bit looser. I made sure it was still secure to my scalp, but I'll show you guys later on why we want it to be a little bit more loose. I stopped the braid just right behind my ear, and then I just secured the end of it with an elastic. And then because I don't want the braid to be poking out, I took the braid and an extra piece of hair from underneath my hair and connected those two so that the braid can sit nicely against my head. And I just ended up securing that with an elastic as well. Going back to our braid, we're going to just pull these sides really nice and gently. This just gives the braid more of a fan out effect, and it kind of adds more character to the braid. Spraying down my hair since it got dry throughout that whole process, and just styling my hair as normal. I hope this video helped you guys at home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.